Welcome back to another incredible transformation. Today, we're taking a look at something that seemed completely forgotten and abandoned. At first glance, it looked beyond repair, covered in dirt, damage, and years of neglect. Most people would have walked away, but we saw the hidden potential. Step by step, the restoration process begins. Every broken part is carefully repaired, cleaned, and brought back to life. What once looked like junk slowly transforms into something truly amazing. The attention to detail, hard work, and dedication behind this project make the final result even more satisfying. As the transformation continues, you'll start to see the vision come together. The difference between the beginning and the end is simply unbelievable. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing restoration journey. The final reveal is absolutely worth it. Wait and watch until the end. You won't believe the stunning transformation. there you have it, the incredible final transformation. It's hard to believe this is the same abandoned structure we started with. Through patience, skill, and dedication, something forgotten has been given a brand new life. What do you think of the final result? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing transformation. Thanks for watching,